So there's two types of IT companies for businesses out there. Now, which type do you use? The first one's the run-of-the-mill break-fix company. So when something gets reported as being broken, you call them to fix it, right? Break, fix. And this is considered a reactive service, as you call them when you got a problem, and then they bill you in 15, 30, or 60-minute increments whenever they do any actual work. But when they fix something and the problem comes back, they're oftentimes going to bill you again to fix the thing that they should have fixed to begin with. And the biggest issue here is once they've disconnected from your computer, they have absolutely no way of knowing what's going on with your IT infrastructure, such as, are all your computers up to date? Are there any viruses on any of the machines? And most importantly, are you currently being hacked? And considering everything is billable, employees often have to ask permission to call them when they need to, and you get your bill at the end of the month, you might be stuck having to go through the charges to ensure everything adds up. Now, the second type of IT company is called an MSP, or a managed services provider. And what this means is that they're actually monitoring your entire IT infrastructure, which makes it more of a proactive service instead of a reactive service. They can detect issues in real time and take action on those issues before those issues become an actual problem. But still, many of these types of companies will bill you a basic rate, but any support calls are still billable in 15, 30, and 60-minute increments, but that's still way better than the break-fix approach. But better still is an MSP that bills you the flat rate per user or per device, where all the work is actually included. And this way, your staff can contact them as often as needed, essentially getting unlimited support where the price doesn't change month by month. And with that kind of setup, there's no need for your employees to ask for permission to contact them because everything's included. Now, better still would be an MSP that only hires highly experienced technicians and has an obscenely fast response time, because I hate when people make me wait. And you know what? You shouldn't either. So how does that benefit you? Well, it allows you to let actual experts in the industry manage your IT infrastructure so that you can focus on what matters to you most, your business.